Hello everyone, this is Professor Gautam from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about trip distribution using Furness method. Okay, now let us take one example to understand this concept. Okay, here is a problem. The problem is like this. Here, total number of 4 areas are there. Let me call it as area number 1, area number 2, area number 3, and area number 4. The same I had designated in the column area number 1, area number 2, area number 3, and area number 4. Now, in the present condition, the trip exchange between zone 1 to 1, that means inside the area number 1, total 8 number of trips are plying. Okay, from area number 1 to area number 2, 3 trips are going. From area number 1 to area number 3, total 16 trips are going. And from area number 1 to area number 4, total 15 trips are going. Okay, now if total number of trips produced in area number 1 means how much? 8 plus 3 plus 16 plus 15. Total will be how much? 42. That means out of 42 trips, 8 trips are traveling within the area number 1. 3 trips are going to area number 2. 16 trips are going to area number 3. And 15 trips are going to area number 4. Similarly, if you come to the second data, from area number 2 to area number 1, 6 trips are going. Within area number 2, 9 trips are plying. From area number 2 to area number 3, 8 trips are going. From area number 2 to area number 4, 5 trips are going. Therefore, total trips produced in area number 2 is how much? 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5, that will be equal to 28. Out of 28 trip, 6 trips are going to area number 1, 9 trips are plying inside the area number 2, 8 trips are going to area number 3, and 5 trips are going to area number 4. Similarly, they had given for data for area number 3 and area number 4. Okay, I repeat, in the area number 1, total 42 trips are generating. Out of that 42 trips, 8 trips are going to 1 only, that means inside they are playing. 3 trips are area 2, 16 trips are moving to area number 3, and 15 trips are going to area number 4. Similarly, in the area number 2, total 28 trips it is generating. Out of 28 trips, 6 trips are going to area number 1, 9 trips are going to area number 2, 8 trips are going to area number 3, and 5 trips are going to area number 4. Similarly, coming to the area number 3, 29 trips it is generating. Out of 29 trips, to the area number 1, 10 trips are going. To the area number 2, 8 trips are going. Within the area, 3 trips are plying. And to the area number 4, 8 trips are going. Similarly, for the area number 4, 25 trips it is generating. Out of 25 number of trips, 2 trips are going to area number 1. 4 trips are going to area number 2, 7 trips are going to area number 3, and 12 trips are playing inside the area only. Okay, but here the question is, suppose in future, total number of trips generating in area number is 147. Out of this 147, how much of trip is moving to 1, 2, 3, 4? Similarly, in future, if 42 trips are producing in area number 2, means how these trips are moving to other areas, how many trips are moving to other areas. Similarly, 32 trips are generating in area number 3 in future. Out of this 32, how many will move to area number 1, area number 2, area number 3 and 4. Similarly, in future, if 30 number of trips are producing, how many of them will move to area number 1, area number 2, area number 3 and area number 4. That's what we have to calculate. And also he has given the data. In future, total 39 trips are coming into area number 1 from the other areas. 24 trips are coming to area number 2 from other areas. 68 trips are coming into the area number 3, and 120 trips are coming into the area number 4. Okay, this is the data what he had given. By using this data, we have to distribute the predicted future traffic to the other zones by using Furness method. Guys, I hope all of you understood the problem now. Let us move to the solution part. In the solution part, we have to form this table initially. This table indicates the same matrix as given in the problem. Column, you have to add total present trip, predicted trip as given in the problem, and origin growth factor. And in the row wise, you have to add total present trip, future predicted trip, and destination growth factor. Okay. Now, it is very simple to solve. In this column, you have to indicate total present trips. How we got this 42 value? Very simple. 8 plus 3 plus 16 plus 15, that is equal to 42. Similarly, 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5, 28. 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8, 29. 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 12, 25. This predicted traffic they had given in the problem. You can see here 147 for area number 1, 42 for area number 2, 32 for area number 3, and 30 for area number 4. I just tabulated here. Now you have to calculate origin growth factor by the formula future trips divided by present trips. Okay, here how we got 3.5? What is the future number of trips in area number 1? 147. Present number of trips is how much? 42. Therefore, 147 divided by 42, that is equal to 3.5. Similarly, I had calculated for area number 2, that is 42 divided by 28, it is 1.5. 32 divided by 29, it is equal to 1.1. And 30 divided by 25, it is equal to 1.2. Similarly, you calculate row wise. Total present trips, you just add columns 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 2. That means to the area number 1, now 26 trips are coming into the area number 1. Area number 2 will receive 24 number of trips. 34 trips are coming into the area number 3, and 40 trips are coming into the area number 4. In future, for area number 1, it is increases to 39. It remains the same 24. For area number 3, it increases to 68. And for area number, it is increases to 120. Now you calculate destination growth factor by using the same formula, future divided by present trips. Here future is how much? 39. Present is 26. Therefore 39 divided by 26 equal to 1.5. 24 divided by 24, 1. 68 divided by 34, 2. 120 divided by 43. Now you had calculated origin growth factor and destination growth factor. Now what to do in the next step? Next step, what you have to do is whatever destination growth factor you had found here, this you have to multiply to the current trips flowing into the different areas. That means what you have to do is, here actually 12 is there, correct? No? How we got this 12? 8, that is the current trip interchange between zone 1 to 1. That means 8 trips are flying inside the area only, multiplied by destination growth factor, that is equal to 1.5. How much it is? 12. Similarly, you can do for the others. 6 multiplied by 1.5, that is equal to 9. 10 multiplied by 1.5, that is equal to 15. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 1.5, that is equal to 3. Okay. In the same steps, you have to do it for area number 2, area number 3, and area number 4. After that, you just calculate the total, that is 12 into 3, 12 plus 3 plus 32 plus 45, that is equal to 92. 9 plus 9 plus 16 plus 15, that is equal to 49. 15 plus 8 plus 6 plus 24, that is equal to 53. 3 plus 4 plus 14 plus 36, that is equal to 57. Okay. Predicted trip total, you just copy as it is they had given in the problem. 147, see here, the same column I copied there. 147, 42, 32, 30. The same I had copied here. 147, 42, 32, 30. After that, you calculate this new column, that is called as new origin growth factor, by using the same formula, future trips divided by present trips. In this table, future will be 147, present will be 92, correct? No? Therefore, 147 divided by 92, 1.6. 42 divided by 49 it's equal to 0.86. 32 divided by 53 equal to zero point 0.6, and 30 divided by 57, that is equal to 0.5. This is the second iteration in this problem. Now let us move to the next step. In the next step, what you have to do is, in this new multiplied destination growth factor trips are there, no? For this, you multiply with the new growth factor values. That means 12 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 19.2. 3 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 4.8. 32 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 51.2. 45 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 72. Okay, similarly you have to calculate like this. 9 multiplied by 0.86, 7.74. You can repeat the steps. 9 multiplied by again 0.86, 7.74. 16 multiplied by 0.86, 13.76. And 15 multiplied by 0.86, that is equal to 12.90. Similarly do it for area number 3 and area number 4. Okay, after this you calculate new destination growth factor. How we have to calculate? Just add the columns. 19.2 plus 7.74 plus 9 plus 1.59, that is equal to 37.53. Next, add the second area column. 4.8, 7.74, 4.8, 2.12, that is equal to 19.46. Next, 51.2 plus 13.76 plus 3.6 plus 7.42 plus 15.98, that is equal to 68. Similarly, you calculate it for this one, for area number 1, 72 plus 12 plus 14.4 plus 19.08 plus 118.38, that will be equal to 120. Okay, now after calculating this value, write down the predicted value of the destination factors as given in the problem, that is 39, 24, 68 and 120. In order to calculate new growth factor, new destination growth factor, use the same formula, future divided by present. Here future value will be how much? 39, present is 37.53, therefore 39 divided by 37.53, that is equal to 1.04. And 24 divided by 19.46 equal to 1.23. 68 divided by 15 point, how much it is? Okay, 75.98, that is equal to 0.89. 120 divided by 118.38, that is equal to 1.09. Okay, and this is how you have to distribute the traffic by considering the current trip statistics to the future. And this is how you have to solve the problem using Furness method. Guys, I hope all of you understood today's class. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you, guys.